I have never seen this before. It's cool. Hey, it's washing our car.
I have never seen that before.
Digging it. We're in Florida. We're in Florida. We're in Florida.
And it's warm.
Yeah.
Not
It's
hot, just warm.
It's not hot. I still have cold gear on, but
Big
I
and warm.
don't have a coat on. Dave's got his, signature shorts going on, so.
I missed my shorts.
We are at Blackwater River State Park. We've never been here before. This is north off I-10. It's in the Panhandle still.
Just straight north of like Pensacola Bay, Milton area.
Yeah.
Welcome to Blackwater River State Park. Blackwater River, one of the most pristine rivers in the nation, provides the perfect setting for this 590-acre park. Blackwater's sandy bottom, white beaches, and large sandbars are a sharp contrast to the dark tannic water that gives the river its name. Designated a Florida canoe trail, the river and the park are part of the statewide system of greenways and trails. So
Cool.
it shows several hiking trails.
Our campsite, we actually reserved a campsite. It's kind of what we have to do around here, and it's not available yet because we got here early, so we're just gonna day use it for a little bit and check out some trails and see what this park's about. Be nice to just get outside and hike and move our legs. Pistol is not allowed on the beach here, though. We did read the rules, so we're just gonna keep her on the trails. And
Someone wants to go on a hike.
yeah. Are you ready to go? You want to go on a hike? Yeah? You a good girl?
Stand with a leash out the door going, okay, you got me ready.
Okay, let's go. Those hikes were awesome. Pistol had a great time.
She's still having a great time.
Clearly. She's in the zone. But it is dinner time now. We're in our campsite. It is dark, though it's not very late at night. And we are going to make clam linguini, though I am using angel hair pasta nests. So while I'm getting that water going, I'm going to make a cream sauce without cream or butter. Its base is going to be soaked cashews. So I have some cashews here. I'd say it was about a cup that I soaked in hot water and drained and rinsed. And then I have some nutritional yeast, just salt and pepper, and I'm going to use the juice from the clams in there to make it extra clammy, and maybe some garlic. So pretty simple. I'm just going to toss it all in. Of course, I'm not going to measure anything, and we'll just hope for the best. I ran this for probably 3 minutes. Yeah, nothing on the battery, nothing. I'm gonna give it a taste. Look, it's hot. I love the Vitamix. It like warmed it up already and everything. I'm just gonna give it a little taste test. That's legit clam sauce. That's really good. It needs to be thinner, actually. Right before we serve it, I might add a little bit of water and thin it out and make it super hot, and then we can put it on the pasta. Sound good?
It smells so good.
Dang, that's good. And it's not heavy. Like sometimes you do all the heavy creams and butters, and then kind of afterward, I'm a little, This, nothing. Light. You feel better afterward, I think. All right, let's get this pasta done. Dinner is served.
Wow. Oh, so good.
Good?
Yeah, so good.
Nice. You know who else is gonna have fun with this pasta? Good girl. Here's our campsite. Dave's carving.
What's up?
Nothing.
Just got back from a run. I look like hell, don't I?
No.
Hi.
You look like a runner. I'm gonna get, you notice something that's missing here. My tablecloth. So I'm gonna get that on there, and I'm making a stew, and I'm actually gonna make some rolls. So Dave's gonna get the oven out. We're gonna go stew and rolls today. Doesn't that sound good?
Rolls.
Yeah.
Mopping up the stew.
Yeah, I'm all about the bread. Okay, I admit, these are comically large.
Oh, good gosh, honey.
These are like Lambert rolls. Get them in there.
They're gonna be big.
Yes, they will be huge. How's this? So we picked up this Coleman single burner at a Walmart. Now it's different because it works on the butane instead of propane, right?
Yeah, if you saw our recent video where we had the gas one single burner stove and had an issue with the propane line leaking, and I really liked using the gas one. It had the option of either butane or propane, but when you use the propane is out here and you can access it. So if you're baking and the propane goes out, you can just swap it out while you're baking. You don't have to take this whole thing off while you're trying to cook in it. With the butane, it's inside here, but it was 20 bucks. Couldn't find the gas one, so I want to give it a try. It seems I haven't used butane very much, but it seems to get hot really fast. So anyway,
He's in regulation mode.
yeah, I'm gonna get back to the kitchen, get to work.
Bake those rolls. Yep, looking good. These look incredible. Oh my word.
That always makes me happy.
Look at this. It's stew time. How is it? Everything's great.
Oh.
Eating large in the Vagabond campground. Breakfast time. We're getting ready to roll out. We thought we'd grab some breakfast. I heated some rolls and then butter and cherry jam.
Where did we have cherry jam at? I didn't ever see that in the van.
Yeah, it's in the fridge. I picked it up not long ago. I was using it for a recipe and then it never happened. But I wanted to tell you guys what happened this morning. We took Pistol out for a walk and I didn't have the camera on me because, you know, we don't film every second of our lives. And Dave was in front of me, Pistol was in front of him, on a leash of course, and we're getting to the end of a trail where it turned into the beach, and Dave just like skidded back a little bit. I thought he was falling because there was some sand on the boardwalk, and so I like shrieked.
She grabbed me about, ripped my sides off.
Well, I thought he was falling, so I was like trying to catch him, and I squealed a little involuntarily. And I peeked around him once I realized he wasn't falling, and there was a snake. Yikes.
Just walking along, little Florida walk.
I don't know what kind he is, but
We're gonna leave him alone.
yeah.
Bye.
So after we got back, we asked the camp host, we showed him the picture, and he said that's a water moccasin, or cottonmouth, I guess they call them.
I know why they call them cottonmouths.
You do?
Yeah.
Why?
Because when I saw it,
You go.
cottonmouth.
All the blood rushed from your head.
What's scary is I ran 5 miles of trails yesterday in the park, and I was looking for him, but I wasn't really. If I'd have saw that yesterday, I never would have ran.
Yeah.
But
it was a good reminder.
I've never seen a water moccasin before. We don't have those in Oregon or Montana.
I hope we never see one again. But it was a friendly reminder, not be complacent, and
yeah.
Keep track
Not
of.
so friendly reminder.
Yeah. Well, he was just sunning himself.
Can I eat one of these now?
Yes, eat one.
Gotta get this mustache trimmed off. Hard to eat. Especially when people are watching.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I think that jam is good.
Those rolls are good. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're gonna head on down the road. Did you just take a bite off a different one? He's sampling all the rolls here. All right, we'll see you guys down the road. Carry on.
Carry on.